Hey guys, Elevating North Carolina here, and I just wanted to let you know that before we start, I want to lay one additional rule. Do not plagiarize this video, especially North Carolina elevator lover. The person who has 93 other channels and plagiarizes other people's videos. So, once again, do not plagiarize this video. I have worked so hard on this. Now back to your regularly scheduled program. All right. Oh. You're welcome. Oh, you're still going up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Floor 8.
Go up to PH. Is there one? Yep, parcel. These are the elevators at the South Bay Resort in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It's a ThyssenKrupp. Go to Brown.
Ground going up.
Oh, hello. What floor?
I'm on.
Oh,
Going up.
dang. What floor?
I am 10.
All right, 10.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go up on 9.
Mezzanine. Floor 9 going up.
That's a good way for me to switch. All right. Let's see number 2. This one's on 17, 14, 4, Oh. And this one's going up. Unlike this one, that's us.
Penthouse going down.
Oh, hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Doing good. Ground?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Oh, we're stopping.
Yeah.
Floor 17 going down.
Are you going the same level?
Ground just.
Yeah.
Why are you recording that?
Yep. This is one of my hobbies. Isn't that cool?
What's
Snapchat?
seeing numbers go down?
Snapchat? No.
Nope. YouTube.
Okay.
Floor
Oh,
5
wow.
going down.
Yep.
Nope. That means I have to
Nope.
go. No. They
We
think
stopped
it's
for a
great.
while. Is that chicken good? It makes me fun so. No, no! You're stupid.
What is stupid?
Ground
Alright.
going up.
Got it? Alright. Floor requests?
16.
4.
And where are you from? What state are you from?
North Carolina.
We are too!
Wow.
Floor 4
Yes.
going up.
Alright. Have a good day, you guys.
You too.
Goes in. Hope you enjoyed. Quite the pleasant view of it. But I wanted to give you all a room tour. I am in room 412 in this hotel. And as you approach your room door, you need a key card. All you have, unlike other modern hotels, usually you put in your lock and it opens for you. This time, in like other modern hotels, it doesn't have a lock. All you have to do is put your key on the scanner right here, and the door opens. All right. All right. Here's the floor layout. You are either going to get a queen suite room A, queen suite room B, or a junior oceanfront. Room 412 is a junior oceanfront room. Once you enter this room, you are greeted by two full-sized queen beds, which each bed sleeps 2 people. Here's your dining area, which seats 4. Here, this has a kitchen area, which has a fridge, a microwave, and a mini stove. And this room has 2 televisions, one on the where the 2 beds are, and one right here. This is your sofa, by the way, which can turn into a sleeper sofa. As you can see. Now, the best thing I want to show you guys is the balcony. So, when you open this door, oh, well, this is heavy. You can see a view out of Myrtle Beach. Isn't this a great view? Let's head back in. Let's close the door because AC will not operate when it's open. Here's your closet with a safe. Here's your telephone. Here's one of the sinks in this bathroom. And the main attraction, this is a full-size bathroom, complete with a shower, cool, a Kohler toilet, a sink, another sink with a modern looking faucet, a towel rack, and place to store toilet paper, and a trash can. And another towel rack too. Look in the mirror, who do you see? Hi. So, hope you guys enjoyed the room tour. And this is Elevating North Carolina Productions signing off.